When we dropped into the water was murky and dark, and I was convinced we weren't going to find much of anything, that we'd be groping in the darkness, in the mud for fragments. And then, suddenly, out of the gloom appeared the stern, remarkably intact but also battle-damaged, and that was exciting. Everything that we saw as we swam over that wreck was a surprise. We hadn't expected to see something this intact, and I hadn't expected to see something that was so clearly identifiable as Merrimac. Cargo hatches dropping into the interior, coal scuttles through which coal would have been passed, and shell holes in the sides and in the decks. Merrimac had been afire. The coal inside her holds had to have been set ablaze by all the gunshots, and she'd burned for some time. Her decks had to have been white hot to get twisted the way they were, and only when the ship sank were those fires put out. What was also exciting, though, was of course being able to do science and to reach into one of the holes, into the coal hold, and to retrieve pieces of coal to take back to the laboratory for analysis.